the heavens?
What?
Hang on.
Construction, man. That's gonna be
Alright, triple header. That dish lights. It's not like a normal in out ones. It's blinking together at the same time. Am I kidding? I don't know how well it come out. I don't know how well it come out of video, but it is a thick fog. The fog is really.
Take me at 870.
Beep beep. I didn't know 135 was sitting though, cause it's fucking so thick. I can't even see truck one single. That's how thick it is.
Alright, I think I'm about like 10 from Brunswick, maybe 10, 12. I've got a few more miles before I can Clemensville. It might be a little bit longer considering the trucks won't go the speed limit anymore.
Well, yeah. Just be careful, cause
Clear on the departure, mark C878.
just be careful, cause the fog is thick. So, like I said, I can't. Right now, I cannot see the signal for truck one going westbound. That's how thick it is. So just be careful.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to. I don't want to hear from your mother like, "What you do?" So I don't want her to blame me for what happened to you. If you know what I mean. You know, because I do worry about you guys. I do worry. So, alright, so you should be here roughly 10 minutes, give or take about a minute.
Yeah, I'd say I should give or take by about 5 minutes at this point.
Yeah, so it's always a good idea to give a little more time just in case, like, so give us time to like react to everything.
Oh, now they find the speed limit.
Oh, there goes 135. Now I can't even see it. I can't see the 135. All I can see is a blinking red light.
Q135-20 West, Q8 Bridge, medium college yard, but it says XC924.
Now I can't even see it. You can't see the smoke flood.
What do you call it, cattle pen?
Yeah.